Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm talking about what is TikTok's multidimensional anger test. TikTok users have begun sharing their result to the online multidimensional anger test provided by IDR Labs. Based on the work by Dr. Judith M. Siegel, the multidimensional anger test is designed to map an individual's experience with the feeling of anger across multiple empirical dimensions. Through 38 questions, test takers agree or disagree to a series of phrases using a sliding scale. The exam itself has been found to have good psychometric properties in the form of high validity and test-retest reliability. Across TikTok, users are receiving hundreds and thousands of likes and views on videos explaining the quiz and their answers. What kind of questions are on the multidimensional anger test? A series of phrases and question prompt user to rate their emotion via sliding scale. The test opens with something makes me angry almost every day. Other questions and phrases on the test include: first, people sometimes bother me just by being around me. Second, I try to get even when I am angry with someone. Third, other people seem to get angrier than I do in similar circumstances. Fourth, I can make myself angry about something in the past just by thinking about it. Fifth, I harbor grudges then I don't tell anyone about. Results display a percentage within a categories of anger arousal, anger spectrum, hostile outlook, external anger, internal anger, and total score. The test compares your results to those of others who have taken the test. So guys, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, share, and comment, and do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So thank you.